Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code on Windows 11 64-bit. So it's very easy. At first, we will download VS Code, which is free and open source, that is free to download. For that, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Visual Studio Code, click on it. Here you can see the download for Windows is visible. You can find all the versions for Mac, Windows as well as Linux. We want for Windows user installer x64 64-bit, so I'll click on here. After clicking, now the download will start. Here is the exe file. You need to wait for a few seconds. Now the download completed. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now the setup started. Accept the agreement. This is the license agreement. Accept and click on next. Now here is the destination location. If you want to change the location wherein Visual Studio Code will install, click on browse, but I'll keep the same. Okay, on clicking the browse, you can select the location, but I'll keep the default location, which is fine. You can also keep it. It will take only 306 MB. Click on next. Now this is the start menu folder. Keep it as it is. Click on next. Now if you want to create a desktop icon, you can click on it. You can also select the other options that will allow you to open with code from the Windows Explorer. Click on next. Now ready to install, click on install to install it. Now the installation started. Wait for a few seconds. Now we have completed the installation. Click on finish. It will launch. You can uncheck it if you want. Finish. It won't launch now. You can directly click on the desktop shortcut which got created. Whenever you want to open, double click on it to open. Or you can also go to start and type VS Code. I'll double click on the desktop shortcut. Now it will open. When you'll open it for the first time, it will ask you about the theme. You can go for the default dark theme, or you can choose the light theme. We will click the dark theme. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install VS Code on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.